Hey, it's Rich Tehrani here, coming to you from AIoT World Expo. It's part of the IT Expo TECHSUPERSHOw 2026. It's February in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. On our show today is Eric Schummer. He's with Senzary. Eric, welcome back to the show. How are you?
Thank you very much. Great, as always, every year. We enjoy the show, and I think you've expanded. There's been a lot of movement and a lot of interesting shifts happening. So with the MSPs, for instance. So things are going well.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks for being here. Tell us about your company. What do you do?
Well, Senzary has evolved into becoming sort of an operating system for industrial and enterprise customers, where fundamentally we have a single application across multiple departments. Might be reliability, maintenance, operations, facilities, but then also vertically integrated with enterprise applications on the financial side, on the informational side, and then on the floor, like a SCADA or something like that. So it truly breaks silos instead of building them.
So really an enterprise, corporate, industrial operating system.
That is absolutely correct.
And it just so happens that you got your start in the IoT space and you've expanded from there.
Yeah, I guess we expanded as we built more and more solutions for different customers. We traversed different horizontals and verticals, so we are very good now at predictive maintenance, asset tracking, life cycle management, environmental monitoring, industrial telemetry, regulatory things. So now customers have like 8 or 10 things to choose from, and then from there they can expand horizontally, vertically, and so forth.
Please list the types of companies you can help. I think we discussed airports in the past, if I remember correctly, last year.
Yes. We have done quite a lot of deployments around cement companies, for instance, that have multiple plants with very important problems around toxic environments and dust environments that are very regulated. Battery manufacturers, these types of companies. And also oil and gas has been an important customer.
Is mining important?
Mining is very important, but mining is definitely important, mostly in South America, I would think. These are companies that are around explosive, tracking, and worker safety. We just deployed a very interesting solution for an oil company in Mexico to manage all the worker safety on the ports and offshore and onshore operations in support of offshore platforms. With drill management, batch assignments, real tracking, toxic gases monitoring, weather monitoring, and very interactive and very integrated into the operation of the oil company.
What else should we know?
Well, we should know that we recently signed multi-year agreements with companies like Sourcewell. So our entire catalog of services has been published, and there's like 50,000 entities in the US that can now purchase our services without having to go to RFPs and bids and things like that. We're building very interesting AI integrations, both into the operational side of the business and in the delivery side of the business. So there's a lot of interesting things coming in that direction in the near future as well.
And what's the website?
Senzary.com.
Thanks for being here, Eric.
Thank you, man. Always. Thank you very much.